Here we are. Jomtien, Thailand.
TJ Hotel.
Spanky and Yankee. Jennifer, Jason. Today we went to the mall today. Which one was it?
Central Pattaya Mall.
Central Pattaya Mall. We went there, and while we were there, we ended up making a purchase of a Huawei, which is Apple knockoff, by the way. I think they stole Apple's IP, and Apple's mad about it. It's a company from China, nonetheless, but they have exactly like Apple products, iPads, phones, all that stuff. So today we bought a iPad. What's it called though? A MatePad.
A MatePad.
MatePad.
Yeah, Mate.
MatePad. All right. Let's take a look. Let's see.
It's the box.
Let's see. Box right there. And it comes. So go ahead, let's open it up. Check it out. So when we bought it, they give you like all these perks into one purchase over here, which is really interesting. Nothing like America. Whereas America, they don't give us anything. We gotta pay for everything separately. Da, 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 da. So we're gonna show you the whole package that they gave us. I'll tell you right now. There it is. Yeah. So the purchase price was it $430? I think. $430 USD, which is like a lot, thousands of baht here, but it's $430 USD, and you get to see all the stuff that we got here. Comes with, let's see.
So here is the iPad, or the MatePad itself. It comes with a case.
Yeah, that was an extra thing that they added
with a keyboard.
Keyboard, case. Put it up in the air so you can see it. That's it, yes. And it lays down. And you can fold it so it sits up. But the case and keyboard came with it. So that was one of the perks that come with it. Also, what do we get extra? Extra, we got there's a tech pouch zipper bag. So you can put some tech stuff in there. That was free with it.
The pen.
The iPad pen, free with it. SanDisk 32 gigabyte memory, free with it.
Wireless earphones.
Wireless earphones, free with it. What else? Bluetooth smart wireless speaker. It's a big one too. That you can hook up the iPad to. That's a great deal.
A bag.
Carrying case
Very
bag.
nifty bag.
Free. Carrying case bag.
And a little fan.
A little fan for when she gets hot. Work on the computer too much. Real hot. But so we got all together. How many was it? Like what?
6, I think.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 items. Yeah, 8. The iPad itself. 7 other items with it for $430. And it has great memory in there. It's 12 megabytes of memory, 256 gigabytes of a hard drive for it. If you get like a regular Apple iPad, it has 8 megabytes of memory, and it has 250. Well, actually, they have the 128. Yeah, 128 gigabyte, which is half of what this is. And just for the iPad itself, it costs you, it's like $550 for it. So that's just for the lowest ended iPad. I know iPad just raised their prices too. So if you want to get a 256 gigabyte like the one we have here, it's a lot more. I think it's now like $800 or something. And they don't give you anything with it. They don't give you a keyboard like you just saw there. That keyboard was an added extra thing with it.
And it comes with a 1-year warranty.
Yeah, it's also a 1-year warranty. And Huawei is a very good brand here. But it's just, again, it was something that I think everybody talked about, that they stole Apple's IP, their intellectual property, and they like used it for themselves and basically made knockoff iPads. And Apple, I think, tried suing them, but China doesn't care. They don't care that they stole their IP. I know that's been an issue, but people love it here. They have a new one coming out. There's a new iPad coming out. It's basically sold out already. There was this pre-sale for it, and it's coming out in 2 weeks. It has like double the memory, and it's basically sold out right now. So it's a great product. People use it around here a lot, and be able to use it for. She can use it for different things. What are you going to use it for?
I'm gonna use it to write.
Right.
Yes.
What are you
potentially start a blog maybe, and then there's also all the local apps here for when we're traveling that are on there. So whether we want to order food on Grab or a car, or have things delivered, all the Asian apps are on there for us to use. So it's going to be very convenient and easy to carry.
That's right. We're going to be able to take it on the plane. We'll travel around to different cities. It's a lot easier carrying that than I have a laptop and a laptop bag, and it's a little bit bulky. A lot going on there. So this will be a lot easier for her, but it was a great deal, and I really was shocked about this type of service, because the guy opened it up for us. He downloaded all the apps for us. He updated it, so everything was like done for us right there.
He told us where we could download American apps if we needed.
Yeah.
Which app we could do that for, and just very helpful altogether.
It was very helpful, and they also have a thing too where I guess if you leave the country, because we pay taxes on it, they will refund taxes on it. Which for us, I think it was like $30 for taxes that we paid. So if we leave the country, we can get that $30 back. But from what I heard, though, you have to wait in line for a long time to get it and all this stuff. So I don't know. It might do it, might not do it. But anyway, that's one of the things that they do when you buy things here. They refund the taxes to you when you get back to the airport and you're actually leaving the country. So, but yeah, just wanted to show everyone what we got there. I think it's pretty cool. It was great service. Like, the place is called Banana. Was it on here? Banana.
No. Well,
Oh, it's in Thai. Let's see. Let's see. Place is called Banana, though. It's in the mall, Central Pattaya Mall. We had lunch again there today. It was great. We loved it.
Great.
So, but that's it. Just wanted to show everybody in case you ever go shopping here in Thailand. It's some great deals out there, and we also went to the night market today too. I'll have to do another video for that. But hope everyone's doing well. Peace out.
bye.
Bye.